We are celebrating 50 years of the vacuum unit. We will be speaking with the development director, Dr. Janez Rihtaršič, to reflect on our history and discuss our current status as well as what the future may hold. How did the production of the first vacuum unit at the mill begin?
This year we are celebrating 50 years since the development of our first mass-produced vacuum units for the German customers AEG. Opportunity emerged somehow by chance. We were initially discussing about supplying a different product. However, when they discovered our ongoing development efforts on vacuum units, the focus of our collaboration shifted to this product.
What were the key moments in the early stages of development? What challenges did you face at that time?
The first vacuum units were actually created by our predecessors in late 1950s. During that period, the primary challenge was to develop a reliable vacuum unit. The emphasis was more on technologies, tools, and available raw materials. At that time, the market was still in its infancy, and the emphasis on functionality was not as important as today.
What direction is development taking today? Which challenges are you facing now?
Currently, the market is completely globalized, and our development efforts are focused on creating compact, energy-efficient vacuum units. There is a growing trend of electronically commutated motors, which have an advantage due to the enhanced performances, especially for battery